discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Hey man, you got a YouTube channel, don't you? YouTube JacobViral? Oh yeah. Hey, yeah, I'll follow you, man. Yes, sir.
I know you got a lot of followers.
I do a good bit of videos, yeah. Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
Not a problem. 815. 8 American-based signature 15s on 4 Tyrails, 12 gauge and half old per piece.
6-4?
6.5.
6.5. Oh, because you got some there.
Yep.
Very nice. This looks really good. It's really musical too.
Yeah. So it plays pretty versatile. Ideal. I think I might have lost one, but
It might be just the coil getting warm.
yeah. I actually got a. Let me see if I can grab my.
Is your amp on by the doors?
Yeah. Okay. On the side. Yeah. I think I overdid it a bit too much.
What's the temperature on it?
170, 180.
I've seen up to 320. But anything about that's pretty hot still.
175.
It'd be good to play low frequency, half volume, let them breathe and the air
100.
cool off.
Can I get on?
200 almost. Woo! Yeah.
They've had a little bit of time to cool down, so I probably got them up. We'll see. Not a problem.
What was your name?
Tyrail.
Tyrail. All right.
Can I open the door?
So I can see the amp. Good. Thank you.
Half of the police. I spent time overseas, hanging out in England, and I got the swan on my mind and the business. You a little time like the country of deepness. 56 days, gotta know the real meaning. Drop most of the tape and had to go to Europe. Hey! You really have a paper. The Mexico shit, nigga. I'm sorry, we have a real bad that shit, you did. Hey, hey,
to the kids.
My grind now.
Forgot that social media, I leave it up to the kids.
You're smoking them on that.
I think I lost one.
No. Turn it down some. With the doors open, it's like 52, 53 hertz.
Oh my god, dude, that fucking is powerful.
Yeah, and it's really, the doors are open doing that. It's really good.
Magic smoke.
Hey,
Magic smoke.
hey, stay with the shot, boss. Hey.
Hey man, you got a YouTube channel, don't you?
YouTube JacobViral?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, I'll follow you, man.
Yes, sir.
I know you got a lot of followers.
I do a good bit of videos, yeah. Thank you very much for the demo.
Hey, not a problem.
What was your name?
Tyrail.
Tyrail. All right.